By 1864, the best chance that the Confederacy had of winning the war or a negotiated peace was a Democrat victory in the 1864 election. Lincoln himself believed that he was under threat, and in August of 1864 predicted he would be badly beaten at the ballot box. Some Republicans actually wanted to replace Lincoln on the ballot with General Ulysses S. Grant, but Grant outright refused. One thing that is interesting, though, is the Republican choice of running mate, which was Andrew Johnson, the former Democratic senator from Tennessee. He'd remained loyal to the Union and continued to serve in the Senate. It meant that the Republicans were able to offer a balanced ticket and would attract some traditional Democrat voters and voters in border states. Another interesting thing of note as well is that the Republican ticket was known as the National Union ticket, rather than the Republican Party. Running against him for the Democrats was George McClellan. Yes, that McClellan, the former Union war general. He was selected as the Democrat nominee, and the Democrat platform was a negotiated peace with the Confederacy and a platform in defence of states' rights. No prizes for guessing which states' rights the Democrats were willing to defend. However, the Peace Democrat platform was outright rejected by McClellan, and so there was something of a discord between McClellan's position and that of the Democrat Party. The Republicans ridiculed McClellan's record as a Civil War general and referred to the Democrats at best as unpatriotic and at worst as traitors. But McClellan wasn't the only former Civil War general that was running in the race. John C. Fremont, who had been dismissed previously of his duties in the state of Missouri, and the Republican candidate from the 1956 election, created his own party, the so-called Radical Democrats, and that threatened to split the Republican vote. However, through fear of doing this, he eventually withdrew from the race.